All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So today we got the Unicorn Beetle for the Supcase for the Watch Pro 5. Now, I appreciate Supcase sending this over. It comes in nice, simple packaging. You know how they do it, and obviously it sent over the nice F8 green one for me here. It's got the same look as the cases and everything with the full carbon fiber around here, and it's got it trimmed right down inside of there too. That is actually pretty cool. If you can see that, it's down around the buttons. Yeah, and you got the cut off for the port on that side right there. And it's an open snap-on case, which is actually what I like. I don't like the bands like this kind right here. I've purchased this kind before, and they've sent over this kind before. This is the best version of this case like this with this front. It's for the iPhone because it lays flat. But the other versions like this, they wrap around and they're just not comfortable for things. But this actually just snaps on. So you'd want to go with the button side first, and then just push it on, and then it snaps right on like this. And then it comes with two screen protectors, glass screen protectors in the packaging. So we'll put those on. Even though this watch is very rugged, I still like the thought of having a case on it and a glass, because if it's man-made, it can break at some point or another. So let's go ahead and get this open. And we'll get it cleaned up. And this is a very simple process to put this on. You clean it up, you make sure it's good, no dust is on it, and you get two of the tempered glass in here. So I'll peel this off, and then I'll drop it down in place. It is clear. And putting it in place, man, the one thing I gotta say is that it doesn't have any kind of guide. So when you drop this down, it's a sealing up like that. So just make sure you drop it down in a good spot that makes you happy with it. So good thing is you can move it. As you can see, that I just picked it up. And my only thing is that I hope it seals all the way around and doesn't show any of the lifting areas. It's powered on. Yeah, it's a little bit on the edges around the side right there. I got Pixel Watch, Apple Watch over here, and I'm about to put this one on. I'm gonna take off the Apple Watch because I'm not even using my iPhone. I was just doing some fitness. I'm using, and oh, check this out right here, folks. Check out what they did. They blessed me, and they blessed me in a way that I appreciate, because I love the support. And look at this beautiful combination right here. It doesn't get any better than this. This is just immaculate. This is a great combination. I was wearing this earlier. Touch sensitivity is great, man. There we go. And here is the ultimate combination right here. Finally, something good looking going together. You can see it totally matches my phone and everything. So this is nice, man. I'm so happy and appreciative that they sent this over to me. This is just such a nice color match. It's time to rock out like this now. All right, guys, it's your man Jay. I'll see you in the next video. Wow, this is so beautiful. Oh, look at that. That's beautiful. That's a beautiful thing. I'll see you in the next one, folks. Take care.